Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Dopa app. First, download the Dopa app from your preferred app store, whether it's for iOS or Android. Once installed, open the app and create your new account. You can typically sign up using your email address or by linking a social media account for quick access. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is your central hub for all app functionalities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Now let's dive into some core features. Tap on your profile icon, usually in the top corner, to manage your personal settings and preferences. Here, you can update information or adjust notifications. If you're looking for something specific, the search bar is your best friend. It's designed for efficient content discovery. Don't forget to check out the community forums, a great place to connect with other users and get answers to your questions. To truly maximize your Dopa app experience, consider setting daily reminders. This helps you stay consistent with your goals or tasks within the app. If you're looking for more advanced tools, explore the Premium Features section. It often offers expanded capabilities for a small fee. Your input is also incredibly valuable, so please use the feedback option to share your thoughts and help the developers make the app even better. For advanced users, consider integrating Dopa with other compatible applications you might use. This can streamline your workflow and enhance overall productivity. Also, regularly review your usage analytics within the app to gain personalized insights into your habits and progress. This data can be incredibly helpful for optimizing your experience. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. We hope this guide helps you master the Dopa app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.